Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today. I'm at Bonneville again and it's a special day today. Me and my buddies here. We're hoping we'll catch some. There's so many people like always and we can't really find a spot, so we're gonna walk along the line and see if there's a little opening for us. But I'm excited because today, if we catch, we're gonna do a catch and cook for you guys. And it's like a surprise because I'm not sure what Dave got planned for me, but we're gonna pressure cook it and see how it turns out. Let's go catch some shad.
My first fish, but
Look, this guy's first fish. Yeah, congratulations, bro.
he's a baby. He's gotta be tasty.
Oh, really?
Oh,
You lost it? You lost
it
it?
was big.
Oh, dang it. It's really windy out here, so I didn't record while I was fishing because of the wind noise, but we caught a lot within, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. We caught about 15, so a minute almost every cast we were catching, and we lost a lot. We couldn't keep them on. We just got home. Let me show you how much fish we got. It was crazy fun, like I said, within 15 to 20 minutes. Look at all of that. I'm not sure how much is in there. Hey David, how much do you think is in there? Like 8 of them, 10? About that around.
I think 8.
8, about 8, yeah. Within 15 minutes, that's nuts. It's literally cast after cast, and we lost a lot too. So we probably lost as much as we got in that cooler. This is our cutting board. Gonna use this. We're not really gonna fillet the fish, right?
Yeah.
Just cut it, like dice it up.
We dice in the chunks.
Sweet. So we're gonna clean it first and then start dicing it, and then guess we're gonna pressure cook, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ooh. Did I have my knife in here? Yeah.
Yes, it's on the bottom, bro. My bad.
No, it's okay.
Here, let's flood it with water and clean it out. Oh yeah.
Oh, they're coming to life. You see that?
They're coming to life?
I created
Such
Gil.
a liar.
Moved.
It's moving because of the pressure. You want to spray some water on it?
Yeah, you do it a little bit. It's all good. Get all scales off.
Ooh.
All right,
This is such a bloody fish, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna store this in here. So.
Oh. I got somebody all wet.
Yeah.
With blood, with fish blood. Oh, yeah.
This is so much easier with a fillet knife, though.
Right, a lot sharper. Too bad we lost our fillet knife at the dam.
Yeah. Okay. It's good. So now, I take and I cut off the this stuff.
Allergies kicking in.
Yeah. So we gonna prop this up so I can
Put it in.
so then we're just like clearing out all the organs.
I love that noise.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut them in half like this, and we're gonna stack them in the pressure cooker for an hour.
Sweet. Oh, so
Because it's how you steam them. You steam them like a fillet like that, right? But what happens, you steam them, they're really tasty, but they're extremely bony fish. So when I made my stew and I pressure cooked it for an hour, you could just chew right through the bones. Like there was basically no bone left. Like it just made them very, very soft.
But then so today we're gonna have this big of a chunk.
Yeah, it's gonna be just cooked like that in a pressure cooker for an hour, raised up over the water with a little bit of oil and onion. And then we're gonna take it out, make a dipping sauce for it, and see how that tastes.
Ooh, I'm excited.
So it should have the, almost like the texture of a sardine when we're done with it. So how about this guy? This guy's
Oh, that's a big one, huh?
he's a big one. The
Let's
the
go.
biggest one might be a little too big for right now.
Okay. So that's where we put all the fish.
Yeah, so spray this guy off real quick. Yeah. All right, let's get the descale.
So are we using 2 fish for now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we could figure out what to do with the others after.
Sweet.
I mean, we could just go ahead and what we'll do is we'll cut them like that at least, or maybe just in fillets, and we'll put them in the. We can put them in Ziplocs for now
Okay, yeah.
until we decide what we want to do with the rest of it. So we're gonna place green onion under the fish to give it some flavor.
Oh, so that's how you cut it up?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't dice it, the white part.
No.
So what exactly are you doing? Just like that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's interesting.
So the fish is gonna be sitting on top of it
Oh,
when we steam it.
that's interesting, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that next time.
Over the top.
No, the oil on the fish.
On the fish, yeah.
And
So olive oil, just drizzle it on top?
on top and inside too.
Huh?
Inside and outside.
Oh, inside the fish and outside the fish. Okay, and
And
then
the salt.
do garlic salt or regular salt?
Regular salt.
Regular salt. So we have, do we have another regular salt?
Maybe put salt first and then oil.
Salt first and oil, okay. We'll let you fill that up.
I don't know much different, but I think because when you put oil and then
Smells good.
then you kind of seal the.
Oh, so we gotta dry the fish inside and out.
right.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
I guess because you don't want the flavor to be too waterlogged.
No, because when you dry it, that means the fish soaking the sauce better.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, the point.
That's awesome.
So did you want to take and salt it then, or what?
Yeah.
So I guess we salt it first, and then
Salt it and then salt and then oil.
oil into the same bowl with the onions. We're gonna learn something, bro. I'm excited.
Yeah.
My hand
What about-
greasy. Yeah. Put everything sealed, right?
I think it's good.
Okay.
It seems good.
Okay, you see, right? Okay, push down all the ring. Okay.
Sweet. Set it for an hour.
Oh, it says delivery unavailable anyways. You have to pick up anyways. Is that what you want, a burger?
Yeah, that sounds good. Can you grab it for me when you're getting your
Yeah.
groceries?
Okay. What kind of bacon blue cheeseburger?
I wonder if we do low if it'd be better. No, high worked last time. Let's stick with high.
Okay. Is
Yeah.
it starting now?
It takes a little bit. Yeah. Now,
there it goes.
Now it's gonna take probably 10 minutes or so to build up pressure. But after that, it starts the countdown,
Oh, okay.
and then an hour from then.
Sweet.
So yeah.
So we'll be back in an hour. Back to this. Okay. You guys heard it. We will check back in an hour.
You wanna do it? Yeah. So
Just a little
like that. So you just pop it up. And see, but if you don't have it, it's like sprays all over your cabinets and everything. We do this, it captures it.
That's
And then
great.
yeah. Oh, look at this.
It's good.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh, water. Oh, and that's the fish juice. The fish juices.
Okay, I don't need it. I just need the
So we
fish.
just scooped the fish from the pressure cooker. Right there.
It had to be very hot.
Has to be very, very hot. Okay.
Be careful.
Oh wow.
We gotta wait, buddy, because I'm not sure where the screwdriver is right now. Just
Make
wait,
sure I
wait,
should
Daddy's
put
cooking
more
this.
oil back.
That's why I told you to go
That's
upstairs.
awesome.
I was not enough oil.
Will you close it? We'll pull it like this.
Oh. Oh wow.
All right, Asian sardine.
Asian sardine.
Trial number 1.
Trial number 1.
See how it is.
Awesome. I can't wait to get a sample taste. That looks amazing. And only what, 45 minutes, an hour?
An hour of pressure cooking, and then usually just probably 10 minutes of prep time with the sauce and the onions and cilantro.
Cilantro.
All right.
That looks phenomenal.
All right, guys. Gonna try real quick. Take a bite. Wow. Get some cilantro. Bro, it's awesome. You have chopsticks at your house too. Proud of you. Hope there's a piece of bone, but I'm gonna try the bone.
You should be able to eat right through the bone.
Sweet.
Yeah, let me get some of the sauce on there for you.
Oh my goodness. Bro, that sauce
How did it turn out?
That
The sauce is good, yeah.
Bro, that sauce is amazing.
I've had the sauce before. I've never tried this method of cooking it though.
Wow. That is so good. Especially with the cilantro and onions. And that bone just butter.
Yeah.
Butter, bro.
It came out good, right? Yeah, the bones.
Dude, I really love the seasoning.
Yeah, I think it was a success.
It is a
It's
success.
pretty good.
The flavor's on point, bro. I remember you telling me how good it was. But the seasoning, everything looks so simple, so I was kind of hesitant about it.
I think next time we could probably get away with pressure cooking it just a little longer.
Mm-hmm.
When I did the stew for an hour, it softened the bones quicker, maybe because it was way more liquid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're still very brittle, and you can chew them. Yeah, and I think it tastes very similar to steamed. I think we,
Yeah,
yeah, it turned out
that's
well.
so good. Good?
Very good.
That's awesome. Then you took the
Spine.
spine bone, edible.
Yeah, you can chew the
Wow.
spine.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
I think a little longer though. Probably maybe an hour and 15 minutes next time.
Okay.
And I think, yeah, I think we do an hour and 15 minutes. I think this will be just really, really soft.
Sweet.
Guys, I'm telling you, this, like, I never had it done this way. I've always done like pressure cooking and stuff or like deep fry it, but this is amazing. It's so good. David, thank you so much, bro. And your mother-in-law, thank you. Delicious. Especially if you eat it with a little cilantro and green onion. It helps enhance the flavor. Bro, this is so good. Especially for bodybuilding. Pure protein. That is.
Actually, you could just like take. I mean, the bone comes right out, really. I mean,
Yeah.
Look
Look
at
at that.
Look at that. You just
I'm-
pour it all out.
yeah. I mean, you could eat the bones, or if they're still not 100% soft, so you could just pick them right out.
Yep.
The meat just kind of falls right off.
Super easy.
Yeah.
And the meat is delicious.
comes right off the bone.
I'm definitely gonna give this recipe a try. Oh man. But the secret, she said, the most important part, you have to make sure the oil is super hot, and then you pour it on into the fish and stuff.
Alright guys, thank you like always for watching. I really appreciate it. All the likes, all the comments helps a lot. I love you guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. And I'll see you guys next time on my next adventures. Later.
Well, looks like David finished his. Here's mine. It's legitimately amazing, bro. So good, guys. I love it. Simple, but delicious. Look at this. And it's so easy to take off the bones. You don't like it. You know, we just pour it all out and put it in our mouth. It's so good. Just want to show you guys before I end the video that we really did finish it and ate the whole thing, because we weren't lying or kidding about it tasting good. It's actually delicious. Thank you guys. Later.